Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video right here on XPL or Plasma. We're going to do a full update. I will keep you updated on this. I mean, I've made a lot of videos on this obviously since the launch and I will continue to do so. I mean, I still think I did a lot of research on this in the past couple of days because I bought it during the crash on Friday, and I'm a little bit of a bag holder now. I'm not in profit, definitely not. I did not buy it at the bottom of the spike here. But whenever usually I don't like long-term spot positions. So because of my entry, I thought, all right, well, this is at least going to be a medium-term hold. So I had to do a little bit more research on that and think about, do I actually want to hold this, yes or no? And I think the answer is yes, right? So we'll talk a little bit about the fundamentals in a moment, and then we'll talk about the technicals. I mean, this is the first time that we're actually seeing, some strength from XPL. XPL has been very stable since Saturday morning, which can lead to somewhat of a short squeeze or just some recovery. So we'll talk about that. So let's get right into it. Now, first of all, fundamentally, I still believe in Plasma, and that. That might be partially because I hold it, right? Obviously, whenever you hold a coin, which you see very often is that you also get more positive about it. But I think Plasma I mean, when we take a look at the metrics, when we take a look at the data, like I've never seen a project this quickly going towards a total value locked of $5.3 billion. I mean, Plasma, in terms of the total amount of money that's locked on there, is bigger than Base, it's bigger than Arbitrum, it's bigger than Sui. And then at the same point of time, like it has 5.3 billion and also 46 protocols already, which is not bad. It's obviously not as much as something like Base or BSC or Ethereum, which is major, but it's already halfway past Sui, right? And then we have a TVL, like I said, on $5.3 billion. We have DEX trading volumes of $55 million. That's also not bad, although it could be higher. And then we have a market cap of $877 million, right? And it's ranked number 80 in terms of market cap. And then you have something like Sui, and Sui has a market cap of $10 billion. So Sui is like 11, 12 times more in terms of market cap than Sui, while the TVL is much, much lower, right? And then outside of that, I think Plasma has much more to it than just that. So therefore, fundamentally, I'm still a believer, especially at the current market cap. Fully diluted valuation is a little bit higher, of course, but market cap matters a little bit more, especially this close after launch, right? I mean, a fully diluted valuation only becomes relevant when those tokens are actually ready to be unlocked, or at least when we're closer to that unlock. So I think fundamentally it's a solid project. Now, obviously the technicals have to align with that. And although I think we're seeing some recovery in the fundamentals around the markets, with S&P recovering, the Russell 2000 recovering, like I can be quite optimistic about that for Bitcoin as well, which is obviously great, but Plasma still has something to show. You can see right now in the 1 hour time frame that we are trying to break this. I need to delete that. Give me a moment real quick there. You can see that we formed some sort of a balance right here between 49 cents and 42 cents. We're trying to break above that, but even though there is some leverage coming in for the first time in since Friday, I think the leverage is not that high yet. So yes, I mean, if we're able, for me, 50 cents being the psychological level, like that's kind of the main level to look at. If we are able to get some more volume and to break above 50 cents, then I think we can start some sort of recovery where my first price target, and then I do have to put this on again, where my first price target would still be here at 54 cents, but then the next one would probably be at 62 cents, right? So that is what we'll have to see right now. When I'm being honest, I would say that I do expect it eventually. I don't expect it right now. I think it's more likely for XPL right now to reject, drop back down into the range, and then later at some point of time, maybe when we have some more certainty regarding the markets, then I think we can start that rally and that short squeeze. But for now, I think the volume and the momentum in general is too low. But I'll keep you updated on that. That's what I think you need to know about Plasma and XPL for now. Hopefully it helps. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.